Welcome to my elf-themed movie night. I had so much fun creating all of these themed goodies for the movie, so I'm going to walk you through everything I did. So first up, I have this candy cane tiered cookie tray with elf sugar cookies, cake batter cookies, peppermint bark shaped like snowflakes, and then cotton balls, aka sugar cookie truffles. Congratulations, world's best cup of coffee, espresso martinis, and for another drink I also did sangria with the label passion fruit spray. Does somebody need a hug? I had a bowl full of hugs. Then I had popcorn with green and yellow M&Ms for Buddy the Elf's colors. I personally designed all these labels with a bunch of cute quotes for the movies. Pretty proud of myself on that one. We have some peppermint pretzels and of course Buddy's hats made out of Bugles. We elves try to stick to the 4 main food groups. I had to recreate Buddy's spaghetti with these cookies. They are so good. They have all the goodies, Pop-Tarts, M&Ms. I have a blog post of everything and how to make it. I'll link it down below. You stink. You smell like beef and cheese. You don't smell like Santa. A beef and cheese tray. And then I made a veggie tray and shaped it like Buddy's hat, which I thought turned out so cute. I hope you enjoyed this elf-themed movie night, and I hope you have one on your own.